Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today I am going to show you how to do MRI angiogram on 1.5 Tesla Brevo MR355. I have already posted one same video on this topic, but it was in Hindi language. So again I am posting the same scan in English language. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I will talk about the patient position. Position is head first, supine, and coil I am using is brain coil. Simply selections would be different. While scanning circle of Willis and brain sequences, you have to select brain array, and for neck angiogram you have to select NV array, neurovascular array coil. Okay, so we are on an entry desk. From here, this portion, first of all you have to fill the data: patient name, patient ID, weight of the patient, age, male or female, exam description you have to enter. I have written angiogram. From here, protocols, show protocols, you have to select protocol. I have kept one protocol over here, written name is angio. Click the protocol, enter, accept, start exam. Accept. First of all, you have to take 3-plane localizer. I will take 2 localizer, first only for brain and second will be for neck angio. So first localizer I have taken from the brain angio. This is brain localizer. So double click, save RX and scan. First of all, you have to take brain sequences, then after in the end you have to scan neck angio. So you can see we have generated 3-plane localizer for brain. You have to calibrate these images, so double click on the calibration and simply you can click on any of the window. You have to cover the region of interest. You have to cover full of the brain area. Save RX, scan. First of all, I will take routine brain sequences. I am doing only angiogram. So for only angiogram scan, you have to take axial sequences for brain imaging. So here I am taking axial flare, axial diffusion and axial axial gradient. Some centers are taking axial T2 instead of axial flare. So you can ask your consultant radiologist what he is preferring. So here I am taking flare, axial flare. Double click on the axial sequence. I have already posted how to scan brain. You can refer that video. I am not showing it in this video. Simply I have planned this axial. First of all, axial flare. Then after I will plan axial diffusion. Simply double click on diffusion. From here RX you have to select this. Select this axial flare. Simply you have to copy, accept. Same plan has been copied. save RX, keep the mode of system on auto scan. Same with GRA, double click on gradient, click on RX, select axial flare, accept. So this is how I have planned axial images for routine brain scan. Before scanning any of the part, always you should ask patient history, what complaints they are having. It will be more benefit for you while scanning. Now I will come to the planning for circle of Willis. So this is 3D TOF for circle of Willis. You can see this is my protocol: axial flare, axial diffusion, axial gradient, 3D TOF for circle of Willis, and axial 3D TOF SPGR for neck vessels. First of all, I will plan axial flare has been generated. Patient is having complaint of syncope. Now I will plan circle of Willis. This 3D TOF for circle of Willis. Double click on the sequence. Always plan on sagittal images. Okay, always plan on sagittal images. Click on the Sag window. See, you have to start from CV junction. CV junction to you have to cover this corpus callosum. From, you can see from this head portion, ACA arteries are arising from the head portion. Okay, so you have to slightly increase the slab if it is not covering the region of interest. You have to cover starting point from the CV junction slightly above the corpus callosum. Center the box. Center is axial images. Okay, you got it. Start from the CV junction. Okay, CV junction to corpus of callosum, because ACA arteries are arising from corpus callosum. So you have to cover this much portion. You have to cover for circle of Willis angio. You can cover full brain also, but that is not needed. This is the easiest plan for circle of Willis. So my plan is ready. Simply you have to save RX and scan. Time of the sequence is 4.38. Now what I am going to do, I will again relocalize for neck angio. See, this 3-plane localizer, I am double click on this. Take this cano downwards. Why I am keeping down? Because already I am having this cano. I am already having. I want below the neck, below the CV junction. I want the cano below the CV junction. So I have kept this cano lines over here. I will select, you can see I have select coil NV array, and this brain scan is going in. I am simply showing you. See, this brain sequence coil selection is brain array. For neck, you have to again relocalize, double click. Relocalize on previous scanner only. Simply you have to take down the 3-point localizer lines, save RX, make it sure you are clicked and we are recoiled. Okay. After completing this, I will show you how the scanner will appear and what is the planning for neck angio. Up till hold down. See, half of the images of circle of Willis has been generated. Still half sequence is remaining. We will see rest of the images. This is axial flare. Age of the patient is 58, but there is no old infarcts also. This is diffusion weighted. For this medulla area, you should take coronal DWI because sometimes tiny old infarcts are missed. So you should take coronal DWI for medulla and pons. Diffusion is also normal. This is gradient. Gradient is also normal. Patient position is supine head first. Still 1.3 minute left for circle of Willis. Then after I will relocalize for neck angio and I will show you how much area you have to cover for neck angio. Five seconds left. My scanner is ready. It will automatically done because I have kept my scan on auto mode. You can see I have clicked on auto scan. After completing this circle of Willis sequence, automatically this scanner will be started. For neck angio, you have to take large FOV scanogram. See, circle of Willis images has been generated. Double click. See, for neck angio, images has been generated. Now click on the calibration images. Cover the region of interest and save RX. Calibration is in NV array, neurovascular array coil. Now double click on sequence of neck angio. you have to cover from arch of aorta to CV junction. Few images you have to overlap few images, because we have started the circle of Willis from CV junction to corpus callosum. So you have to overlap few images. So while doing the reporting, the consultant will correlate both the images, so nothing should be missed. So this is the exact planning for neck vessels angiogram. And before starting the neck angio, you should always instruct patient not to swallow the saliva. Sometimes it will cause artifacts in the images. Okay, so before starting the scan, always you should instruct your patient not to swallow saliva. Got it? Now save RX, scan. But the plannings are very easy. Few points you have to keep in your mind. For cervical spine, you have to cover from CV junction to corpus callosum, and for neck angio, you have to cover from arch of aorta to CV junction. So this is how your MRI angiogram will be completed. This sequence is for only 3.26 seconds. So up till you have to hold down. So friends, you can see my scan has been completed. I will show you on the axial images. These are the MIP images automatically generated. So this is axial MIP. You can see arch of aorta has been covered totally. Pulmonary arteries, both vertebrals, common carotids, ICA. So this was the MRI angio on 1.5 Tesla. Hope you will like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.